Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make passes on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser on your mobile. Just need to go to roblox.com. Just go to roblox.com. Tap on this create tab. So it will take you to the guys dashboard. Now you just need to tap on this menu button over here. Tap on it and just tap on this creation option. It will take you to the experiences. Just tap on default experience will be your by your username. Now just need to guys tap on a menu again and scroll down, and under you will see this passes option here. Just tap on it, and here guys you just need to tap on this create a pass button to create your own game pass. Now you just need to enter the name of the game pass, description, and just click on create a pass button. Now once you created your game pass, you just need to tap on the new game pass that you have created. Just tap on this menu button again and tap on this save sales option to set it up for the sale. Just tap on this item for sale toggle button and just enter the price here like 200 something, and just tap on save. So once you set up for the sale, now you just need to open please donate and just list your game there, and that's how you can create your own game passes on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.